to Indian Chef recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make homemade hide and seek biscuits. Before we see the ingredients, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to watch our latest videos. Now, coming back to the ingredients of hide and seek. 100 grams of chocolate chips, 75 grams of icing sugar, 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 grams of cocoa powder, 2 ml of vanilla essence, 100 grams of butter. Now, let's see the process of making homemade hide and seek biscuits. Take a mixing bowl. First, melt your butter. When your butter is melting, add icing sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla essence, and mix with butter. And now add flour, few choco chips. Mix everything together and make a dough. Make a soft dough. And now, take a butter paper, take dough onto the butter paper and roll it with a rolling pin. Just roll it as shown in the video. Now sprinkle some choco chips from top. Spread around the dough. And then roll it once again. Here, after rolling, take the help of a skewer and make lines as I'm showing you in the video. And then cut the sides and make it into a square shape. can see it is now in a square shape. Take out the excess dough from sides. Now, with the help of a knife, or also you can use cookie cutter. Here I am showing you to cut with knife. Here I have cut these into small squares. Now just take baking tray. Take a butter paper on a baking tray and arrange these cookies in your baking tray. Here you can see I have arranged my cookies in baking tray. Now just bake your cookies at 150 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. So now just open the oven and take out the cookies. Let it come to a room temperature. After coming to a room temperature, these cookies becomes crispy. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our homemade hide and seek biscuits. Please do like our videos, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.